Hey guys, this is my Czech level crossing that I've made over a couple days so far. And we just finished getting the X painted and, whoa, okay. That was my granola bar, and I can show you guys the lights on the back, so the switch is right here. So I just flip that up and then I can also put the gate down and I can put it back up, and I can turn the lights off. And then this is meant to be like the white light, but it turned out really blue. So. And then this is my brother's Czech level crossing, which is just an X, and he's watching just some videos right now. So
I have lights on it, and I want those, and I don't want those.
are you talking? And then he has another one right here. And then me and Grandpa made this one. It's a Danish railroad crossing. And then this one has wires for it, so they don't go, it's a lot not like the real ones, but I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, and whoa, I'll see you next time.